see when you're in the office? What do you see when you're at home? What do you see when you're in your car? Every day, we are bombarded with loads of visual reminders of who we are, how we live, and what is around us. And it has a huge impact on how you feel and how you perceive yourself. Yesterday, I had a couple of conversations with new people and I was on Zoom. As you can see, I have a background, which I can assure you is not my real background. But because I spend so much time on my screen, I've changed it to something that inspires me, that I can see myself visually in this space day in, day out, every time I'm on the computer. And it's a subliminal message of how I want my life to be and what I'm wanting to grow into. So, this is an invitation for you to stop and reflect. What are you seeing where you are every day? What do you see when you get in the car? What do you see when you go to your bedroom? And just consciously choose, are those things helping you or hindering you? And if it's something like you're on the computer, like I am, what could you do to change the visual reminders of where you are and how your life is? My name is Kate, and I am an international possibility coach. And I help people to see what they are capable of and move into the life that they're wanting to live. And one of the things is to use tricks like this in terms of daily reminders, little things that help you see how your life can be and to help you to grow into it so that it becomes the norm before it happens. It's a bit like the athletes who are training to do different competitions. They do a lot of visualization before they actually run the race or do the competition because they've already done it in their head so many times. So when they get to the real thing, it's like it's already happened. So I hope this helps. It's just an idea that I had this morning, having had the conversation yesterday with people who'd never seen such backdrops. If you want to know more, then please do get in touch. And as always, stay wonderful, stay beautiful, stay unique, because that's exactly who you are, who you were born to be, and who is the best version of you. Have a fantastic day. Bye.